Hello everyone! Chinese hot and sour potato stir-fry is a classic, extremely popular dish in Chinese households. Crunchy, thin strips flavored with tangy spices. It's quite different from the texture of roasted potatoes that you might be more familiar with. This potato in this dish are rinsed to remove some of the starch, and they're lightly cooked until it's crunchy and crispy. Instead of a starchy texture, it is the best to use potatoes that are low in starch, either red potatoes or Yukon potatoes, which are not as high in starch as russet. I personally prefer to cut the potatoes using a knife, but you can definitely use a mandolin slicer or a julienne peeler. They help create perfect uniform pieces. When potatoes are all shredded to the same size, they will cook more evenly. And be sure to soak the shredded potatoes in cold water to remove the starch, and drain water completely right before cooking. This step is essential to making the potatoes crisp on the outside with a crunchy mouthfeel. Now the shredded potato is ready to cook. Over medium-high heat, let's bring wok to hot. Add 3 tablespoons of any neutral oil, add a few dry chilies, 1 teaspoon sichuan peppercorn, few slices of red pepper, and a few white parts of scallions in the wok. Then stir a couple of times to bring out aroma from all spices. Add shredded potatoes, stir fry consistently about 2 minutes over medium-high heat. There are 2 essential tips to prevent excessive potatoes sticking in the wok. The first is to thoroughly rinse away excess starch and soak the potatoes in the water. Drain the water just before stir-fry. The second tip is to use a bit more oil and continually toss and turn the potatoes during the stir-fry process. Today I used 1 medium-sized long red chili pepper, which is like Anaheim peppers but slightly spicier. You can also use Anaheim peppers or jalapeno pepper if you prefer a spicier dish. Use thinly sliced bell peppers if you prefer non-spicy. After stir-fry for about 2 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And continuing stir-fry for about 2 minutes. One last tip, make sure you add black vinegar at the very end to maximum the tangy flavors of the dish. After 2 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of black vinegar and continuing toss and turn about another minute or so, and you may turn off the stove at this time, allowing remaining heat from a wok to cook through the potatoes. Try to evenly combine black vinegar with every single strip of potatoes. I stir-fried about another minute or so, then add green parts of scallions and give a few tosses. Optional to drizzle some chili oil to give that vibrant color as well as a spicier taste. This simple hot and sour potato stir-fry may not seem like a very exciting recipe at a first glance, but if you have a first bite, you will be so surprised. It has just the right amount of spicy and tangy flavor that will make your taste buds come alive. I think this is your new favorite way to prepare potatoes. I hope this video inspired you to give a try and enjoy traditional potatoes the hot and sour stir-fry way. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Happy cooking, everyone!